Hello guys, today let's make egg sandwich. You need bread, strawberry jam, egg mixture, slice of cheese. Today's chef is me, Sumi Hwang Seung-hee. Let's make it. Are you ready? Go, go, go! Mash the potato like this.
Okay.
And add some mayonnaise. And then add some sugar. Let's mix. Mash it. Let's make mixture. Let's mix. I think this is enough. Let's try it. Very good. You have to try this. Let's toast the bread. Oh, it has a hole in it, but I don't care. Toast, toast. Then let's spread jam on the bread. Spread, spread. Then put the cheese on the bread. Put. Then spread mixture on the bread. Spread. I think it's gonna be very tasty. I like sandwich. Do you like sandwich? And then put them together. Cut the sandwich in half. Ta-da! It's like a triangle. I'm gonna eat. It's very good. Make it with your mom. Bye-bye.